Welcome back to another interesting YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for all your love to the channel. It truly means a lot to me. आज का वीडियो 2 रीजंस की वजह से सुपर स्पेशल है. पहले तो इसलिए क्योंकि ये हमारा मदर्स डे अपलोड है, बट ऑल्सो बिकॉज ये हमारे चैनल का सेकंड पॉडकास्ट अपलोड है. अब गेस करो, अगर मैंने मदर्स डे पॉडकास्ट एक ही एपिसोड में बोल दिया, देन व्हाट इज इट गोइंग टू बी अबाउट? On today's podcast episode on my channel, I have my mama with me and आज का episode होने वाला है a mother-daughter podcast. But by the time we come towards the end of the video, अगर आप चाहते हो we make a part 2, then please comment this emoji down below and also बताओ what kind of a relationship do you have with your children or with your parents. And on that note, let's begin watching, guys. Let's get the episode started. अब मैं आपको अपनी मम्मा से मिलवाने वाली हूँ. She's going to introduce herself to all of you, and also the first question that I will be asking her is that what has motherhood taught her about herself?
Hi everyone, I'm Dimple, Ignores mom, and it's a very different feeling that I'm on camera today talking to all of you. Yeah, Ignore asked me a question that what has motherhood taught me about myself? Well, it's a beautiful feeling. It's so different. You become so selfless. You feel so different. You're so touched. Your emotions, your life, everything is it just rotates around your children, you know. If they laugh, you laugh. If they're happy, you're happy. If they are sad, you're sad. If they are not well, you feel low.
Guys, please show her some love. It's very different, and it's also very difficult for our parents to be so okay, because हमें तो बहुत आदत है with the cameras and videos and all. And yeah, this was a different type of question. This podcast is going to be a mix. ऐसा नहीं हम सिर्फ heavy questions ही discuss करने वाले हैं. They're going to be very light and funny and also very emotional conversations. The next question that I want to ask her is like, Mama, tell us something that people generally don't talk about motherhood, because this is also a disclaimer, guys, that हमेशा motherhood को बहुत glorify करते हैं, but it comes with certain unintended consequences, certain challenges that society doesn't talk about much. So let's discuss about those. तो हम आप सबको बताओ कि ऐसा कौन सा चैलेंज है, पार्ट है, या इवन स्ट्रगल कुछ भी हो अबाउट मदरहुड दैट इज नॉट टॉक्ड अबाउट अ लॉट या और मच.
People used to really scare me, you know. अब you're carrying, बच्चे होंगे तो पता चलेगा. It's not easy. बहुत ऐश कर ली, अब लाइफ इतनी टफ हो जाएगी. नहीं यार, it was never like this. Yes, it was very different. बहुत डिफरेंट फीलिंग्स थी, सब कुछ था, बट नोबडी टोल्ड अस दैट वी एक्चुअली लर्न सो मच. वी लर्न टू शेयर, वी लर्न टू सैक्रिफाइस, वी लर्न टू फील डिफरेंट. वी ग्रो एज मदर्स. इट्स नॉट कि हम बच्चों को बड़ा कर रहे हैं. इवन वी ग्रो. आवर थॉट प्रोसेस, एवरीथिंग, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट.
अच्छा, आई थिंक विद आवर मदर्स वी ऑलवेज वेंट एंड हम उनको सब बता देते हैं, बट आई फील दैट इवन मदर्स नीड समटाइम्स दे हैव सिचुएशंस वेयर दे वांट टू वेंट, दे वांट टू टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स. So next question, Mama, is that what was that one point, in during her journey or being a mother and up until now also, that you felt like it was a low point, or maybe where she felt like giving up? Again, people don't talk about these things, but on my channel we have these difficult conversations.
There were certain times like you got hurt, you had high fever, you fell down from the bed. So I used to think, I'm so irresponsible, I'm not capable of being a mama. मैं इग्नोर का ध्यान नहीं रख पा रही, उसका खाना पीना, उसको चोट लग गई. And I used to be so low. I said, I'm not capable of being a mother. Then I counseled myself and I realized, नहीं, she's my flesh and blood. Nobody can think better than me about my child. I just cannot be incapable. I will do the best for her. And I used to rejuvenate. I used to, encourage myself कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
And guys, अब हमने कर ली हैं थोड़ी difficult conversations, and I'm really enjoying this. Up until now, it is kind of my dream episode. But अब हमारे fun part towards the, humorous and the light-hearted part of the episode, because अब मैं पूछ वाली मम्मा से that she's going to describe how I was a child and some favorite story of her from my childhood या कुछ भी fun. तो चलो उसको सुनते हैं.
Ignore, when I used to get ready, you used to be standing beside me, watching me put a bindi or a lipstick, and then matching my footwears, carrying my dupatta.
I still
whatever.
do that.
Yeah, you still actually do that. You admire me a lot. And you used to say, मम्मा मेरे को भी बिंदी लगानी है. And I used to say, बच्चे आप अभी छोटे हो, She's saying नहीं हम शादी पे जा रहे हैं और आप कहते हो ना मम्मा शादी पे जाते हैं तो अच्छा तैयार होते हैं, मुझे भी बिंदी लगानी है, बैंगल्स पहननी है, थोड़ी सी तो लिपस्टिक लगा दो, मेरे को भी हील वाले सैंडल्स लेने हैं. एंड आई यूज्ड टू टेल यू कि आप गिर जाओगे, बच्चे इतने छोटे बच्चे हील्स नहीं पहनते हैं. एंड यू वर लाइक नहीं मम्मा मैं आपका हैंड पकड़ के चल लूँगी. एंड देन यू नो आई वेंट हंटिंग ऑल थ्रू द मार्केट बिकॉज दैट टाइम years back इतनी easy availability नहीं होती थी, you know. But somehow I managed to find a very beautiful Barbie sandals for you with 1 inch of a heel, which I'm sure you still remember. And you used to, you know, wear those sandals and carry your bag, a pink Barbie bag, which Nani got for you from US, I remember. And wearing your bangles and you know, then I got you that chapstick thing of, I think it was a chapstick, a pink strawberry color. And you know, the way you used to admire yourself, you know, putting it here on your lips, then little on your cheeks, and then, you know, doing your hands like this, admiring yourself. Oh, it was such a cute and a funny sight.
Tell us in the comment section any of your childhood stories with your parents. अच्छा मामा, नाउ हम इसके बारे में बात कर ही रहे हैं. टेल मी और टेल रादर ऑल ऑफ अस योर फेवरेट मेमोरी ऑफ द टू ऑफ अस अभी तक की, लाइक योर मोस्ट चेरिश्ड और वैल्यूएबल मेमोरी.
देयर आर सो मेनी, इग्नोर
जस्ट द मोस्ट फेवरेट वन जो अभी एकदम से आई मन में.
ओके, फेवरेट भी है और टचिंग भी है, इमोशनल भी है. वो मोमेंट इट्स बीन इयर्स नाउ बट आई स्टिल रिमेंबर उस मोमेंट को. एंड आई हैव टीयर्स इन माय आईज, आई हैव गूज पिंपल्स. बट यू वर सो You were really great. I don't know what to say. When I produced her brother, Jay, and I had a cesarean again, and I was climbing up the stairs when I came back home with him, and her papa was holding me from one side so that I can climb up the stairs, and she was in our domestic help's Godi. And she saw me that I'm coming home and I was not too good, you know, I was feeling very weak and everything. She saw me, first of all, she just did like this, Mama. And I said, Riku, and she hugged me and I hugged her so tight and both of us cried, you know. She said, Mama, आप ठीक हो ना, आपको कुछ नहीं हुआ, मैं आपको अब कहीं नहीं जाने दूंगी, आप मेरी मम्मा हो ना, आप मेरे को छोड़ के कभी नहीं जाना. And you know, अभी भी I'm talking about it and it's like I am having goose pimples all over. That moment was so touching. She made her nani cry, her dadi cry, her papa had tears in his eyes. You know, it was a very emotional moment for us, very. And it is absolutely unforgettable for us.
And guys, अब मैं proceed करने वाली हूँ towards that part of the video जिसमें we get to know my mom as a personality, as an individual in her own right, and beyond her, you know, being a mother. So माँ मुझे ये बताओ that obviously I know that she, you know, loves to spend time with us, but what is the one thing you would do if you had a complete day to yourself, the way you would want? How would you do it, and what all would you do?
Ignore. I can't even think about a day without you and Jay.
I know.
Yes.
Even Papa.
Obviously.
Yeah.
And ठीक है, now you asked me this question, so I think that day would be like I will feel lost. Where is Ignore? Where is Jay? And even if I go out somewhere, you know, it will be like after every half an hour or 45 minutes, hello Ignore, what's up, क्या हो रहा है, Jay क्या कर रहा है, खाना खाया, you know, stuff like that. And I'd probably go shopping, and shopping के लिए you tell me, Mama, go spend your me time, shop for yourself, enjoy the day, eat whatever you want, spend time with your friends, nani, whatever. But I think I would be going shopping and then, oh, ये तो Ignore के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Jay would love this, you know. And eating out without you, मेरे बस का नहीं है. And I think that day, even if you all are not physically with me, you all are always with me. So I can't even imagine. But if I could do, I would do this, what I just said.
But also a related question, like if we could take a mother-daughter trip, where would we go and why? Like what all would we do?
Oh, I think हम दोनों इकट्ठे कहीं भी जाएंगे, we would enjoy. Touch wood. Thank you God. I think mother-daughter relation is like when the daughter grows, you are best of friends. And कहीं भी जा सकते हैं.
Japan or South Korea.
Yes, you definitely love going to Japan, you want to go to Japan, and okay, If you like it, I like it even more. But any good trip, like she's very fond of Europe. So anywhere in Europe, you know. खूब मस्ती, खूब shopping, खूब enjoyment and pictures.
अब मेरी मम्मा से तो हमने बहुत सारी बातें कर ली है, but let's talk to my mom about her mom because now I want her to share with you all the best piece of advice that my nanny, that is her mom, gave.
Well, नानी और मैं भी काफी क्लोज थे एंड वी वर ऑलवेज लाइक फ्रेंड्स, शुरू से ही थे एंड टचवुड अभी भी हैं टचवुड. एंड मम्मा यूज टू ऑलवेज बी लाइक, कोई भी बात है ना बच्चे, व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग लाइक यू नो सीनियर स्कूल में आ गई, देयर वर सो मेनी चेंजेस इन फ्रेंडशिप्स, फिजिकल बॉडी चेंजेस, यू नो अवेयरनेस आती थी कितनी चीजें हो रही हैं आसपास, यू नो कुछ indifference on the part of your friends, your relatives, so many things. So mama always used to say, Dimple, just be yourself. Don't ever change your character for others. You don't need to prove yourself to anybody. What you are, you are. Be absolutely same with everyone. अपना nature बिल्कुल नहीं बदलना. And yes, if there is anything you ever have to talk about, you can openly come and discuss it with me. And
what you tell us also, the same thing you tell us also.
Yes. She always used to say, and that's what I tell Ignore and Jay also, that never change your character for others. Be yourself. Do your karma. And yes, Mama always used to say, God helps those who help themselves. You do your part. Definitely God will show you the way. Be absolutely honest. Never hurt anybody intentionally, तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. कोशिश यही करो unintentionally भी कभी किसी को hurt ना करो. And don't need to prove anything to anybody. कोई कुछ भी बोले कोई बात नहीं. You तो नो ना तुमने नहीं किया. So be absolutely transparent and genuine. That's it.
इससे related, what's the one value you would want us to carry with us always?
Karma. Karma, that's it. If you do your karma, सब अच्छा है, सब positive है. Your hard work will also pay. बस.
You get what you do.
Yes, definitely.
And with that, guys, we're almost coming towards the end of this episode because we just have 2 questions left. But please let us know आप ये episode enjoy कर रहे हो या नहीं. I've been wanting to have or shoot an episode like this for very long, so I feel really good about this episode. And the second last question that I'm going to ask Mom is that up until now, I want her to share that moment when you know she felt the most proud of me up until now, because of course we have a long way to go.
This moment. This moment, touch wood, I'm feeling very proud that I'm coming on my daughter's podcast. Proudest moment. Thank you, God. And yes, you guys have made me proud at many moments. There were many moments, many occasions. You all getting your scholar badges, your gold medals, topping in the university. And most of all, that when the people say, it's your upbringing, Dimple. If they talk about Ignore and Jay, because my children don't believe in buttering and, you know, being very, you know, haha, hello types. They are a little passive. Abhi Ignore का different role है, but otherwise they don't believe in coming to the limelight. But yes, when it's time for action, they are needed, then they make their identity. So proud of you always, both of you.
Thank you. And guys, with that we come to the last question of the video. But as always, हम ये ending note भी एक information और एक helpful note ही रखेंगे, because now I want Mama to give one piece of advice or whatever she wants to say to all the mothers or the mothers to be who are watching this video, which she just wants to give, you know, something that she's learned over time or anything that's special to her.
Trust your child. Be their friend. And ऐसा होता है in different phases of life that you feel, अरे ये क्या हो गया, इसने ये नहीं किया, इस सब्जेक्ट में मार्क्स कम आ गए, या ऐसे बोला था, ऐसे हो गया, you know, things. Never seek outside help. हमसे ज़्यादा हमारे बच्चों को कोई नहीं जानता, you know. Yes, it might be in certain phases that कभी-कभी होता है, you might need a counseling. That is a different thing. But basically, as a mom, well, I don't say I'm a very good mom.
You are.
But अपने motherhood से I would just say that trust your child, be their friends, talk to them about what they want, what they aspire. It's not कि तुम क्या चाहते हो. I have done छोटी सी mistake with Ignore, but I realized it thanks to her dad. He understood her better at that time, and she took up her choice, her type of profession she wanted.
I wouldn't say it was mistake, it's what you knew. Like
Yeah,
what
even
you
I
knew
learned
was.
from that episode. I definitely learned because at that moment I wanted the best for you.
Yeah.
But यही है यार, किसी की बातों में मत आओ. अपने बच्चे को खुद समझो, talk to them, discuss things with them. Don't compare your child, please. Don't compare your child with others. दूसरों के बच्चों के साथ मत करो, please. है ना? Love them fully and you'll get it back. And एक last bit of advice. My mama always used to say one thing, you know, जब ये दोनों छोटे थे, they were more like twins. And I used to be like, मम्मा मैं यहाँ नहीं जा पाती, ये नहीं कर पाती, मैं कैसे करूँ, मुझसे वो नाराज़ हो रहा है, हो रहा है. She said, Dimple, एक बात हमेशा याद रखना बेटा, you cannot please everybody, है ना? Your children need you at the moment, give them time. आज तुम उनको time दोगे, कल तुम्हारे बच्चे तुम्हें time देंगे. So guys, abide by this. Experience से बता रही हूँ. Give them time when they want it. Even if you're working, you have to work, you have to go out, it's okay. But then I'm sure there are mothers who are working, they manage to give time to their children on the weekends, their vacation time, whatever, rather than, you know, go partying. I'm not a party person, but go partying, go to kitties, go to gyms, whatever. But आज उनको time दो and कल बच्चे तुम्हें time देंगे. Thanks.
And with that, we come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. I really truly hope that you enjoyed it and I'm sure आप सबने किया होगा. And please let us know in the comments section if you would want us to make a part 2. ऐसा I'm sure आप हमें बोलोगी. I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, bye guys.
Bye bye.